Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
If you're someone who loves creativity, whether you're a professional artist, hobbyist, or just a parent encouraging your child's imagination, the acrylic paint set with brushes and palette is an absolute must-have. This all-in-one art set offers everything needed to dive into the world of painting, making it the ideal choice for artists of all ages and skill levels. One of the biggest reasons I would buy this product is its complete value. It's not just a box of paints, it includes a versatile selection of watercolor brushes, standard paintbrushes, and even miniature model brushes, making it suitable for everything from canvas painting to fine detail work on models or crafts. Whether I'm working on a large abstract canvas or detailing a miniature figure, this kit covers all the bases. Another reason is its suitability for both kids and adults. It's rare to find an art set that's safe and easy enough for children, yet high quality and versatile enough for adults. The paints are vibrant, smooth, and easy to blend, perfect for learning and experimentation, but also capable of producing professional-level results. The included palette adds even more convenience, allowing for easy color mixing without the need for extra tools or cleanup. For someone like me who enjoys painting at home, outdoors, or even while traveling, having a ready-to-use, portable kit is a huge plus. Durability and ease of use are also key. The brushes are designed to last, with firm bristles that don't shed and handles that are comfortable to grip. That means more time creating and less time worrying about poor quality tools. In short, this acrylic paint set is more than just supplies, it's an invitation to be creative, to explore new styles, and to enjoy the process of making art. That's exactly why I'll be buying it, and why I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a high-quality, all-in-one painting solution.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.